Hello everyone, I'm Shikha. I have done MSc and BEd. Today we are going to study about the cell wall. As we have read in the structure of cell that the cell is covered by a cell membrane and outside the cell membrane there is cell wall present. At the center of the cell there is nucleus and the other part of the cell other than the nucleus are called as cytoplasm. So cell wall is the outermost protective covering of the cell. Here it is written cell. It is present outside the cell wall as we have seen in this diagram. If this is the cell membrane, its outer layer is called as the cell wall. Cell wall is present next to the cell membrane. It is thick in nature. It is the most outermost part and it is the protective covering. It protects the plants. It is present in plants, bacteria and fungi. It is not present in animals. It is absent in animal. It is present in plants, bacteria and fungi. In plants, the cell wall are made up of cellulose as well as it is also made up of pectin. In bacteria, the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. However, it is made up of chitin in fungi, chitin or chitin. Coming to the next, the nature of the cell wall. It is permeable. The nature of the cell wall is permeable. It is permeable to both the solute and solvent. So from the cell wall, here I have taken the two cells. This is the cell membrane and outside the cell there is present cell wall. So this cell wall can give all the materials, permit all the materials to pass into it, all the solutes and all the solvent. However, inside the cell, when it comes to the cell membrane is selectively permeable. It doesn't allow all the solutes and solvent to pass on it. It stops some of the solutes to pass on it, but cell wall permits all the materials, all the solute and all the solvents to pass in it. It is non-living material part. It is the non-living part of the plant. Cell wall, the function of the cell wall. Coming to the function of the cell wall. The function of the cell is to give protection to the cell, to give protection to cell, to give shape also to the cell. It also gives shape and it also gives strength, to give strength. Here we can see it also holds two of the cells together. Here we can see this is one cell and this is the another cell. Both the cells are covered by the cell wall and these cell walls have hold both of the cell together. In the middle of both of the cell wall there is middle lamellae present. It also helps in the holding of two cells together. This is middle lamellae. So what is cell wall? Cell wall is the thick outer protective covering of the cell. It is present next to the cell membrane. It is absent in it is absent in animals. In plants, it is made up of cellulose and pectin. In bacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan, and in fungi, it is made up of chitin. The nature of the cell wall is it is permeable to both solute and solvent. It is a non-living part of the plant. Outside the cell, there is cell membrane present, cell wall present. The cell wall also hold the two cells together. Between the two cell wall, there is middle lamellae present. It also helps in the holding the cells together. The function of the cell is to give protection, to give shape and to the strength of the cell. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.